Hey everyone, and welcome back. So today I've got a box of, what is it? A box of Kleenex here because our lesson today is on sneezing. So when I say sneezing, I'm just gonna fake sneeze for you right now. I'm talking about this. Achoo! That's what I mean by a sneeze. Now, I did not sneeze properly there, and I'm not sure if you noticed that, but I hope you did because we're going to talk about that today. How to sneeze the right way. Now, I'm going to show you a picture of what I just did, which was just sneeze into the air. So here's a picture of someone sneezing. She's saying, achoo. So here she is, she's sneezing. Out comes her sneeze right into this boy's face. So she sneezed right into his face. And all of her germs right here are coming right out of her mouth into his face. Does he look very happy about that? Look at his face. He does not like that. He's saying, gross. Okay, so we need to remember that when we're sneezing, there are a couple of things that we can do to just be more polite when we have to sneeze. So I'll show you the picture first that they've suggested, which is to sneeze into a Kleenex. You can see right there, she's got her Kleenex here and she's sneezing into the Kleenex and not into his face anymore. And he's much happier about that. Okay, well, I think anybody would be happier about not being sneezed into their face. So in this case, she's using a Kleenex, and I'm going to show you that right now. So this is an option one that you can do when you need to sneeze. If you have a Kleenex close by, you can take your Kleenex, and if you have to sneeze, you can go, shoo, into your Kleenex. Okay, so that's one option if you have your Kleenex. Now, the other option is to sneeze. So if you don't have Kleenex and this isn't around, so we're going to put that to the side because let's just say we have to sneeze and there's no Kleenex. There's another way and another thing we can do when we're sneezing, and that is to sneeze into our elbow right here. Okay, so when we have to sneeze, we would go, choo. See how I've covered my face into my elbow like that? Okay, so that would be our second option. Okay, so let's just review really quickly. If we have Kleenex nearby and we can get it, okay, one option is to sneeze into our Kleenex right here. Okay, so we go, choo. Option one. Option two is, hi Herman. Herman's missed everyone so much, he wanted to say hi. So option two, as I was saying, is to sneeze into the elbow. So you, choo, into the elbow, just like that. Okay, everyone. Well, I hope you enjoyed that sneezing lesson today. And please try to remember, if you have to sneeze, get your Kleenex, and if not, sneeze into your elbow. Okay? So, bye for now, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.